அனைவருக்கு வணக்கம். A very warm welcome to all the members of the BMR Global family. Our chairman, principal, respected faculty, teachers, and most importantly, our dear parents and students. I am truly delighted to be here for the 4th annual day of BMR Global School. Like all of you, I am especially eager to see what our students have prepared for a day like today. I know how much effort, discipline, teamwork, and effort goes into every performance. And today is a celebration of that hard work. I would like to start out by saying that to me, education is the greatest level up in life. It is the only instrument you can give to a child to ensure a level playing field. Whether you come from a rich family, a poor family, a forward or a pressed class, it gives a child the courage to become a future leader and builder of this country's future institutions. But what is education in the 21st century? It cannot just be about mugging up or memorizing from a textbook. In today's world, anything we forget is just one click away on Google. Forget a date, it will remind you. Forget a formula, it will tell you. So, what Google cannot tell you is what we have to master in schools. It is not what to think, but how to think. Because in tomorrow's world, it becomes far more important for students to deal with unfamiliar information. They cannot prepare for this in advance like they can for school examinations. Don't get me wrong, school exams are very important. But there is a bigger examination called life. And it asks you questions you can't study for, and sometimes even your teachers can't give you ready-made answers for. Because according to the Oxford Martin School, in 10 to 15 years, 30% of all the jobs will be jobs that do not exist today. Can you imagine that? So, how do we prepare students for jobs we ourselves cannot imagine? This is why we need to stop putting facts and figures into the minds of students. We can only prepare them by teaching them how to think, how to question, how to adapt, and keep learning on their own long after textbooks come to an end. At BMR, what matters is not just finishing the syllabus, but making sure that every child understands, grows, and is encouraged to think for themselves. I would also like to make a special request to all the parents of girl children here today. Please, teach your daughters to be ambitious. Very often, without realizing, we tell our daughters to be quiet and obedient. Somewhere we begin to think that a quiet child is a good child. But please also teach them to question, to decide, and choose what they want to do with their lives after you give them the education. They should not be educated only to be married off or made eligible for the marriage market. They should be educated to live with dignity, independence, and purpose. Principal ma'am and the chairman sir have always encouraged me to become as independent as I can be. And I am grateful to them for that. And I know that this school carries the same spirit for every child here. So I would like to end my remarks by congratulating all the students here for putting together these wonderful performances. I wish you all the very best for the years to come and that you grow not only into successful individuals, but into kind, responsible, and thoughtful citizens of this country. Thank you and all the very best.